Imagine traveling through space for 330 million light-years and seeing almost nothing. No stars. No galaxies. No planets. Just endless blackness stretching in every direction. This isn't science fiction. This place actually exists. Welcome to the Boötes Void, the most unnerving, impossible, and wrong region of the observable universe. A cosmic desert so vast and empty that astronomers still don't understand how it could exist at all. Today, we're going to explore the Boötes Void, what it is, why it terrifies scientists, and the chilling theories about what, or who, may have created it. The story begins in 1981, when astronomer Robert Kirshner and his team were mapping galaxy distributions. They expected to find the usual pattern, galaxies forming enormous clusters, filaments, and cosmic webs. But then something strange appeared. A patch of sky where galaxies were supposed to be was just empty. At first they thought it was an error, faulty data, bad exposure, or a measurement glitch. So they checked again, and again, and again. Each time, the same horrifying truth emerged: they had found a void, a region where almost nothing existed, a hole in the universe. To understand how bizarre this is, imagine the size, 330 million light-years across, big enough to fit thousands of Milky Way galaxies. It is one of the largest cosmic voids ever discovered and represents a volume so huge it's almost beyond human imagination. For comparison, if the Milky Way was a grain of sand, the Boötes Void would be the size of a stadium. And in the entire region, astronomers have only found around 60 galaxies. For an area that size, there should be more than 10,000. The void is missing 99.5% of the galaxies it should contain. It's not just empty. It's unnaturally empty. Here's the unsettling part: according to our best models of cosmic evolution, a void this massive should be impossible. The early universe was almost perfectly uniform. Matter should be evenly distributed over huge scales. Gravity may pull matter into clusters, but not to the point of leaving a hole the size of 300 million light-years. Something about the Boötes Void breaks our understanding of cosmology. It doesn't fit the rules. The first explanation is the least frightening. Some scientists believe the void might be a natural bubble formed by the way dark matter clumped together after the Big Bang. But there's a problem. Void structures need to grow slowly over billions of years, and the math suggests a void this large simply couldn't grow that fast. It would require extreme conditions that don't match the rest of the universe. In other words, this theory doesn't fully explain the Boötes Void. Another idea is that the void isn't one huge empty space, but many smaller voids that merged over time. Think of soap bubbles merging into one large bubble. Again, interesting, but the Boötes Void is too smooth, too uniform. No leftover clumps. No visible scars of merger activity. It looks as though it was cleared out almost intentionally. Which leads to the next theory, the one that keeps astronomers up at night. This is where things get unsettling. A Type 3 civilization, on the Kardashev scale, is one that can harness the energy of an entire galaxy. If such a civilization existed, and if they harvested stars for energy using Dyson spheres or galaxy-scale engineering, it would leave behind a region of space stripped of stars. A cosmic graveyard. In the Boötes Void, the lack of galaxies is exactly the pattern we would expect if a Type 3 civilization consumed the stars long ago. Now, to be clear, there is zero proof of this. But the idea is terrifying because the void's size and emptiness fit the signature of galactic-scale engineering. As one astronomer put it, if the Boötes Void was artificial, it would be the largest construction project in the universe. Even more chilling. If a civilization advanced enough to do this once existed, where are they now? Some theoretical physicists propose an even darker idea. What if the void was created by a cosmic event so destructive that it erased galaxies? A vacuum decay. A phase transition. A burst of unknown dark energy phenomenon. Something capable of reshaping spacetime itself. If this happened once, it could happen again. And because it travels at the speed of light, we would never see it coming. One moment we exist. The next moment we don't. This theory is rare, but not impossible. The Boötes Void isn't just a curiosity. It is a message written across the universe. We do not understand everything. Not matter. Not dark matter. Not cosmic evolution. Not the fate of civilizations. The void challenges our models, our assumptions, even our sense of cosmic safety. It forces us to confront the truth. The universe may be filled with wonders, and it may also be filled with dangers we cannot yet comprehend. And somewhere out there, in the darkness, lies a region so impossibly empty that we can't explain it. Not yet. If you enjoyed exploring one of the most mysterious places in the universe, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more cosmic mysteries, and drop a comment telling me what phenomenon you want next. The universe is vast. The mysteries are endless. And we've only just begun.